Get it.
Someone's way out here, what have you accomplished?
Nothing.
If you just pass the ball around the perimeter, that's why when I watch when we play against teams that are just passing the ball around the perimeter, what do I tell my defense to do?
Double. Double.
I'm like, go out. Attack. Attack. Okay, who's got ball? Behind.
I got hole. Coach, you got first time.